how to find equivalent fraction for 3 over 4. Okay, you can easily find equivalent fraction of 3 over 4 by multiplying same number to the numerator and denominator. So you need to start with 2, then 3 over 4, 3 over 4. Multiply here by 2 by 2, then you are getting here 6 and here 8. Then multiply here by 3 and here by 3. So you are getting 9 and 4 times 3, 12. And multiply here by 4. You are getting 3 times 4, 12, and 4 times 4, that is 16. So these three are the equivalent fraction of 3 over 4. Look, okay, the value of 3 over 4 in decimal is 0.75, and the value for 6 over 8 is also 0.75, 0.75, 0.75. That is, these all are equivalent fraction.